So what we have here is the cracks that were videotaped on the inside. These are the cracks that continuously flow right down to the footing line. Right down underneath the footing, we will be installing some piers. Shane, can you tell us a little bit about the mechanics on that there?
Absolutely. So this is a helical pile. We're using an underpinning bracket to support the base of the footing from it settling anymore. The step cracking is from there's a settlement about 1/4 inch from inside floor shot to outside of wall, corner of wall. So what we do is we drive this pile down with a planetary head. What ends up happening is we end up building pressure. The PSI rating comes out. That gets converted to a torque ratio, which then gets converted to a kilonewton-ton, which actually tells us the amount of pressure that we're actually holding. So what happens is these get installed and now carry the load of the footing. So now the footing no longer is supporting the wall. What is being supported by the wall is now our helical piles.
So this has some stability to it. This will never actually sag anymore in this area.
Minimal, what's the correct term? Damage or compared to driving a pile, like you have when you're driving a pier,
okay.
You have to hammer it in compared to having it comes down instead of an auger, it slowly drives in.
Okay, so this goes in like threading a big old screw right up underneath the foundation.
Exactly.
And then we're bolting that